Alright, what's up? Today we are starting a new project. Now, what we're doing here is we're not going to do some super complicated project that's going to be 3,000 lines of code. And we're also not going to do something that is, simple like one or two functions. What I'm looking to do here is I'm looking to take an actual problem and then write something in code to solve that problem. I'm going to start with the outline for our problem and what we're trying to do. Now, we have people that we need to schedule, and we need to schedule them in 1 week blocks at a time. Now, there's 52 weeks in a year, and we're going to schedule, let's say, our doctors in only 2 to 3 week blocks. Maybe, sometimes it'll be one if it happens, 3 if it happens, 2 if it happens, but we're going to be scheduling them in these blocks over the course of a year. Now, we're going to get a schedule, or a preference list for 46 weeks. And let's say, we have 6 weeks of vacation, right? So for the 46 weeks, they're going to number in order from 46 to 1, where 46 is the one they want the most and 1 is the one they want the least. Now, at first glance, simple problem, I guess, but I'm going to walk through some examples later and we'll see that it's not quite so easy to maximize the happiness. Now, it turns out this is a pretty common problem known as the optimal scheduling problem. So there is a simple solution, and we'll also walk over that. But for now, all we need to think about is we want to maximize the value of these preference weeks and get the highest value possible so everyone is happy, while also conforming to our constraint of 2 to 3 week blocks at a time. Now let's talk about our input. We're looking to take in a bunch of lists from a bunch of doctors that have weeks with values corresponding to preference numbers, and each value in the list is going to have the date, so which week it is, 1 through 52, and also a preference number determining how much they want that. For our output, it's pretty simple, but we should go over it. What we want a list with each doctor assigned where we're maximizing our preference value and we're also following our constraint. So what we'll see is every single week numbered 1 through 52 will have a doctor's name next to it. In these series of videos specifically, I'm not looking to explain, algorithm stuff. I'm not looking to explain all of the math behind this. I'm only looking to walk through code. So if you're interested in any of that, you're not going to find that in these series of videos, but I might cover it later on.